how to transfer assets from Bybit to Bybit. Now, for example, that asset, it could be USDT, it could be Ethereum, it could be any kind of crypto. Now, first of all, I will use the example of USDT. Now, how to do that? Now tap on assets and now tap on withdraw. So as you can see in the search, you can type that token that you want to send to that Bybit account. First, for example, USDT. Now after that, select your token here. Now what you need to do to send that token to another Bybit account, you can select the internal transfer. And now as you can see here, the recipient address, if you have the email, you can type it here. If you have the mobile number or the mobile phone of that recipient account, you can type it here. And if you have the UID, the user ID of that recipient account, you can type it here. So after that, what you need to do, just enter the amount that you want to send. And now as you can see here, tap on withdraw to be able to send that amount to another Bybit account. So this is how to transfer assets from Bybit to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.